Potential impact effects on the moon. So let's imagine what happens if asteroid 2024 YR4 actually hits the moon. First of all, boom! We're talking about an object traveling at nearly 17 kilometers per second, or about 38,000 miles per hour. That kind of impact? It would unleash energy equivalent to over 5 megatons of TNT, roughly 340 times the blast of the Hiroshima bomb. And since the moon has no atmosphere to slow it down, there'd be no fiery trail, no slow burn, just instant impact. Within seconds, a crater up to 2 kilometers wide could form on the lunar surface. That's big enough to be seen by telescopes here on Earth. It might even reflect sunlight in a way that creates a visible flash across our night sky. And here's the kicker: because of the moon's stillness, no wind, no rain, no tectonic shifts, that crater would last for millions of years. If 2024 YR4 lands its punch, it will leave a scar that future generations of skywatchers and maybe even moon settlers will be able to see. Scientists are already preparing instruments and observation plans to capture the event if it happens. It could give us a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness a real impact in real time. Not only would it be visually spectacular, but it would also offer priceless data on impact physics, crater formation, and lunar geology. In short, it wouldn't just be a show, it'd be a major leap for science.